So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to work with multiple Excel in Windows 11. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up the Excel files. Like here you can see there are two Excel files over here. So we will just open these both two. So simply double click on it. And once again double click on it, the other one. So as you can see guys, we have opened the two of them. Now we want to work these two Excel file at the same time. So how we can do that is very simple guys. What you need to do, simply select this onto the right side. Firstly select the empty part onto the left, or you can select the right one, which one you like. If you want to move this Excel file onto the left, then simply move your cursor onto the left and simply select that one. Now from here, as you can see, there are lots of things running in my background. So here is the Excel file. So we will select the Excel, and that's how you can simply work with two Excel files or multiple Excel files at the same time in a same window. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.